stiff back, then you want to do the robot walk. So when you wake up in the morning, are you like bent 90 degrees? Maybe you feel like you're getting old, right? And it takes about 10-15 minutes to actually stand up straight. You're going to do the robot walk, right? So the robot walk is very simple. You just walk backwards, right? Backwards, backwards. Start with little steps backwards, okay? And then walk forward, right? Now, you're probably bent like this, so you're going to take little steps first. Right leg back, left arm up. And then you're going to alternate, okay? As you're able to stand up straighter, then you can go, ooh, wrong hand. So you can go longer steps, right? Longer steps, right? Make sure you do this. You keep on walking backwards and forwards until you actually are able to stand up. And it takes you probably less than 5 minutes versus the 15-30 minutes, right? Make sure you follow me here for more of these awesome biohacking tips.
Been doing the holistic health program for 2 weeks. And I've lost 4 pounds, but the main thing is I just feel so much better. I have lots of energy, and I'm able to do all kinds of things, keeping up with my 12-year-old daughter, and running errands and working, and I'm alert, and I'm thinking clearly, and I just feel great. I can't believe the change in just 2 weeks. So I'm very excited about what the next several months holds for me.
Hey guys, Jimmy Yin here, the acupuncture guy with Achieve Integrative Health, and coming to you with another daily power tips. And so today is Tuesday. So Tuesday we're going to talk about Treatment Tuesday. So I thought, why don't we introduce some of the treatments that we do in our clinic? And so, if there's something, if you're not able to exercise, maybe because you have neuropathy. So for example, we specialize in treating neuropathy in our clinic, and so a lot of the patients cannot exercise. They can't go running. It's very hard to walk. They lose their balance. And so we do have a treatment tool that can help you exercise. Yes, it can help you exercise. And so what it is called whole body vibration. Whole body vibration basically helps you stimulate all your different types of muscle fibers, not just your large fibers, but your small muscle fibers, and it can also increase your ability, your blood circulation, lymphatic drainage, and also help with your balance. And so you can see the top of the machine. So it's a vibration, let me show you. It's a vibration plate. So all you got to do is stand on it. And so for the patients who can't stand on it, we actually put a chair and they just sit on it. They just sit on the vibration plate, okay? So let me see if I can move this back so you can see as much as possible. So we have these rails, we have this where people can hold on to, but most of the time you can just stand here. You can just stand here, and so I'm gonna turn it on. It's gonna get loud, but this is the whole body vibration, okay? I'm gonna start low. And so you can't really hear my voice change, but we can turn it up really high, and now you can hear that my voice is changing, right? And so this is a whole body vibration. You can wear your shoes, you can wear your socks, but it basically sends vibrations all the way up throughout your whole body. It's also very good for pain. So people who have pain, it can help improve the blood circulation throughout your whole spine. And some people can exercise. We've had patients where they do some type of stretches on this vibration plate. It just helps you do that stretch a little better, a little more looser, right? So there's so many benefits to the vibration plate, and that's why I'm gonna turn it off so I can stop shaking. I'm shaking. But these are one of the tools that we use to help our patients exercise who can't exercise. But the goal is to help them exercise to the point where they can exercise. So that's the goal of whole body vibration therapy. So if you have any questions, comment below. You have any suggestions about what you want me to talk about, comment below, okay? Like, share this post, and get this information to all the people that you think that are struggling. Maybe they're struggling to walk. Maybe they're struggling, maybe they have multiple sclerosis. We put one of our patients who has multiple sclerosis on this, and that's just one part of the treatments, but it's helping him go from not being able to run to now he's running 4 to 5 miles 3 times a week, right? So these are some of the benefits that some of the tools that we have in our clinic at Achieve Integrative Health. So give us a call and let us know how we can help you. But again, if you have any more questions about the whole body vibration therapy, comment below. All right, guys. As always, remember everything in life is achievable. So let's go out and let's make it happen.